Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Team Fortress 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Team Fortress 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change the audio language, just click on the gear icon at the bottom where it says Options. Now within the Options page, click on Audio, and now you can find the Audio Spoken Language at the left side. Just click on the drop-down menu and you will see the various different languages that are available. Once you have chosen your desired language, you will need to click on the Apply button and the game will restart in order to apply your changes. After the game has restarted, you can start enjoying your game with your chosen audio language right away, and you may go back to this menu at any point of time to change your language in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio language on the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.